So, I was in the woods a little bit ago, and I was thinking about going camping, This weekend, in 2 days, we should be going camping. But we are going to get stuff, maybe. And yeah, we should. I think that door was locked. Alright, you won't see none. Turn all them lights. And well, here, doing video. Alright, well, anyways. What was I thinking? Going camping. Oh, God. Going camping, But, whoa, we don't have no eggs. I don't know what we'll eat by going. Oh, whenever we go camping, you think we could cook ramen noodles on the fire? I never heard of it. But, yeah, we have ramen noodles. Let's see. We have no eggs, so we are, I don't know. But, yeah, I'll catch up on y'all whenever we really go camping. Maybe this weekend, or it might be next weekend, because my cousin, I should call him and see. But, oh, so these eggs, no, egg carton, but no eggs. Well, I'm getting a little bit hungry, so I guess I'm going to end the vlog right here. So leave a like if you wanted to go camping. Alright, see ya.